I want to learn English language in order to teach English language to other people because so many people in Bangladesh facing lots of problem in their speaking part. In Bangladesh we speak our local language is Bengali. But on the other hand, so many people want to go to abroad country to get in their higher study, doing their job, making business with international clients. Some people are doing freelancing job as well. So sitting in their room, right? These people want to meet foreign countries people in order to like getting orders or something like that. So these people want to learn English language, and I wanna help them because as I know English language very fluently. I have been practicing my English language. It's been more than 5 years, so I gain lots of experience about it, and I have confidence. I can able to communicating with each and every kind of people around the world using English language. So I want to help so many people who have been facing at their speaking part, communicating with different kinds of people, making effective communication with their clients or something like that. Yeah, that is my kind of main goal nowadays to learning English language. What about you?
Okay, I think to this right very long. Okay, I think so. I think your English is very good. Yes. Okay. First, my name I introduce myself.
Yeah.
My name is Giang. I'm from Vietnam, and I do study. I still learning English in 10 years, but right now my English is not very good.
Wow, so no
I,
problem. Never ever say that. In addition, I wanna tell you something. So I'm really, really very sorry for interrupt you between talking, right? So never ever
okay.
say that my English is not very good. Even though you are learning English language, so you have to be more confident whenever you're talking with other people using English language, right? So I noticed one thing that you are really, really suffering a lot in your speaking part. But what about listening? Your listening is quite good. You understand mine, whatever I'm talking about in English language, right? Probably you understand me, whatever I talk, right? Is not it? Do you
Um.
understand me? What
Uh.
I'm talking in English?
Yes. I.
Yes, that
I
sounds
did.
great.
Yes.
But you are facing a
Um.
little bit problem in your speaking part, right? So you have to be confident enough that my English is really, really very well. So these things will help you to respond quickly, automatically from your mouth English language. And whenever you think in mind that my English is good, that will boost your confidence, and these things will help you to respond English language quickly from your mouth, right? But if you are shy, hesitate, and that my English is not that much good, so your subconscious brain are going to tell you that, oh man, this person is not making any effort to speak
Okay.
English language. So be confident is really, really very crucial in order to having a communication with other people as an English beginner, right? So you have to keep telling yourself that my English is good even though you're making mistakes, even though you are learning English language. And this is would be my one tips for you, and probably this gonna be help you a lot.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I wish in the future I do talk English very
With
good.
confidence, yeah. So may I ask you one question, so which is how long have you been practicing your English language?
Mm.
How long?
Um. Uh. I study English 10 years.
You have been studying English language. It's been 10 years. Still, you are facing a little bit problem in your speaking part. That sounds like weird, but it's common. Not for you, not for me. It's problem all over the world. The people who is not from native English speaking country, right? Because these kind of people don't need to communicate with other people using English language. If they don't need to speak with other people using English language, so we can suppose that they don't speak in English language because they don't need it in their daily life, right? So if we don't practice our English language each and every day, so how can I grow, right? So how can we improve our English language? So in that case, if you want to improving your English language, you should speak with other people. You should try to speak yourself to yourself. And if you wish, you can practice your English language in front of the camera, in front of the mirror, or something like that. That's how you can improve your English language. The more you speak English language, the more you will get fluency. Your pronunciation will be great, and the more you speak, the more natural English speakers you will be. And that is the key secret I shared with you. So okay, thank you very much for having with mine. Thank you very much for your precious
Thank
time.
you.
Have a nice